As far as Gaudiyas, the Garga Samhita is, we respect it. We don't quote this as Praman. For Gaudiya Vaishnavas, Garga Samhita, by all the scholars of Gaudiya Vaishnavism and all the gurus and acharyas, we do not accept it for Shastra Praman. When Satyanarayan Prabhu's comment, or Dr. Satyanarayan Das Babaji Maharaj, he was asked about Garga Samhita. He said, yes, it's a proper Shastra. It's very good for stories. When you go on Braj Mandal Prikrama and you want to tell stories in Gokul, because they're also recorded on MNS Audio, mnsaudio.com website, my audio. So I led some devotees on around Braj Prikrama years ago. Many sannyasis do, many people do. So I have 2 or 3 Braj Yatra tapes there. So I often told stories from Garga Samhita. So it's great for storytelling, but it's not for Bhagavatam class quoting. It's not for pravachan or for personal bhajan development. It's not Krishna Anukulya for Rag Marga, Rag Bhakti, for Gaudiyas. It's not an Anukulya book, let's say. If you never read it or never quote it, no loss. No loss at all. When I asked my own teacher about this, he said, the Goswamis in their books, they rarely, if ever, if even one shloka or verse, they quote Garga Samhita. So if you want to quote Garga Samhita and Praman, wherever they quote Garga Samhita, you can quote that verse, my teacher told me. So this is the right way. So it's not a bogus book, it's a proper bona fide, authentic scripture, but it has no transcendental or devotional value for a Gaudiya Vaishnava. It has value in the sense of nice stories and gives you some more ideas to think about Krishna, but it's not Shastra Praman for Gaudiya Vaishnavas.